Hey guys, on today's episode we are making ooey gooey fudgy brownies. These are the brownies we make for our cosmic brownies at the shop. So if you know, you know, come make them. For easy cleanup, we're going to line our pan with foil. You can use parchment or just nonstick spray. Next, we're going to add 1½ sticks of softened butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 2/3 cup of brown sugar. Now let's add 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of espresso. This is optional, but it makes it taste yummy. Not quite sure what I'm doing with my hands here, but it sure does look funny. Here we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt and equal parts of all-purpose flour and cocoa powder. The beaters to the camera woman. Make sure to add your favorite chocolate chips. Hey guys, so we have pulled our muffins out of the oven. We've let them, we've pulled our brownies out of the oven. We've let them cool, and now we're gonna cut them. So I'm just gonna lift this out. Look, still clean. No dishes. If you use a plastic fork, if you use a plastic knife, then the brownies will not stick to it versus if you use a normal knife. So I've already marked. See, look, no brownie. Struggle bus. Look at that. Ooh. Ah. Oh, God. It smells so good. So hot. Still really, really hot, but it's very good. My eyes are watering. It's very good. Make it. If you have any comments or questions, just leave them. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. See y'all next time.